Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Cryptomania, your go-to source for the latest updates and insights into the world of XRP and cryptocurrency. I'm your host, Harry, and we've got an exciting episode for you today. Let's dive straight into the buzzing XRP news that's shaping the crypto landscape in 2025. XRP continues to make waves in April 2025, with the market abuzz after Ripple made a significant announcement and key strategic moves. Let's unpack everything. First, Ripple has officially closed the book on its lengthy battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. That's right, the SEC dropped its final appeal earlier today, bringing an over 4-year saga to an end. This marks a monumental turning point for XRP, solidifying its regulatory clarity in the United States. The dismissal of the lawsuit now allows Ripple to focus on expanding its presence in the American market and forging new partnerships with financial firms that had previously hesitated due to legal uncertainties. Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, expressed confidence in the company's future during a recent statement, emphasizing that regulatory clarity is enabling Ripple to accelerate its mission of modernizing global payments. With the uncertainty behind them, we're seeing a surge in institutional interest, and XRP is positioning itself as a key player in the financial arena. Speaking of strategic steps, Ripple made headlines yesterday with a massive move of 1 billion XRP across multiple wallets. Now, such transactions are routine for Ripple as part of its liquidity management. But what's raising eyebrows this time is the absence of the usual monthly escrow release. Analysts are speculating, could Ripple be adjusting its strategy to avoid market volatility? Or is this tied to their growing partnerships? Interestingly, market reactions to these developments have been mixed. XRP is currently trading around $2.09, down slightly following these wallet movements. But while the short-term dip might be concerning for some investors, many experts see this as no more than a market ripple, no pun intended. In fact, this turbulence is overshadowed by longer-term bullish indicators for XRP. On the technical side, XRP has displayed promising patterns, with analysts predicting that the token could break major resistance levels in the near future. Some forecasts suggest that if Ripple's developments align with broader crypto trends, we could even see price targets as high as $4 later this year. Now, that would be quite the rally. On top of that, another massive potential catalyst for XRP is the prospect of a spot ETF approval. Ripple's new partnerships and its growing ecosystem bring both attention and optimism to the possibility of institutional-grade products tied to XRP, such as exchange-traded funds. An SEC approval of XRP ETFs would drastically boost the token's adoption, opening the floodgates for institutional investment. And let's talk partnerships for a minute. Ripple is going global, securing fresh regulatory approvals in markets like Dubai, while strengthening collaboration with financial heavyweights. A prominent example is Ripple's alliance with ChipperCash to enhance payment infrastructures in Africa, allowing XRP to further expand into emerging markets. Plus, rumors of Ripple's involvement with asset giant BlackRock have sparked speculation about an XRP ETF filing. If true, these developments would firmly establish XRP as a leading digital asset in cross-border payments. Here's another exciting update: Ripple USD, or RLUSD. This stablecoin launched on the XRP ledger late last year and has already achieved a market cap of $200 million. Experts believe RLUSD could climb into the ranks of the top 5 stablecoins by year-end, adding even greater utility to the XRP ecosystem. With the anticipated stablecoin bill under review by the U.S. Congress this month, Ripple is positioned to capitalize on the regulatory clarity that could pave the way for institutional adoption of RLUSD. Let's not forget one last exciting development: Blockscale. This native launchpad on the XRP ledger recently smashed its soft cap, raising 13 million XRP in its seed round. Blockscale is set to tokenize assets ranging from real estate to startup equity, further demonstrating the real-world utility of XRP's blockchain. It's clear that the ecosystem is evolving, and Ripple is backing practical use cases that could resonate beyond the crypto community. So what does this all mean for XRP? In the short term, we might continue to see price oscillations due to market adjustments and macroeconomic factors like U.S. tariffs rocking global markets. but the long-term outlook remains fiercely optimistic. With regulatory clarity, strategic partnerships, and promising new initiatives like RLUSD and Blockscale, Ripple is carving out a dominant position in the global financial system. This is a pivotal time for XRP, and we'll be keeping a close eye on each development as 2025 unfolds. Now, it's your turn. What do you think about these updates? Do you believe XRP is on the verge of an explosive breakout? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take. That's all for today's episode of Cryptomania. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, share it with your crypto-curious friends, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to smash that notification bell so you never miss another XRP update. I'm Harry, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay crypto-savvy.